Airport travel is generally known to be relaxing. Many use airport time to visit to a reasonably priced airport cafe or airport gift shop. But what about those who don't use their airport time wisely? On May 11th, 2024, the Port of Seattle Police Department was called to the scene at the airport for reports of that person.
Could you guys all back up, please? All of y'all. If we could just back up.
All that yapping. Where's my duffel bag, bro? I don't want to. You work for the CIA? Okay, you work for the FBI. Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, let's go around. Thank you. Could you just be out of the way for a minute?
Do you want your money? Do you want your money?
I called about it earlier. You guys have it.
You got your ring camera. So make sure that records you so it lasts longer. So when it goes viral, the dumbass bitch named Wells that took my bag with no gun in it gets fired. That's my teacher, Mr. Cruz. You don't know him though. Okay, so look me up. Fuck, I know. Fucking what?
Do we know what bag was?
I have no idea.
You guys take somebody's bag.
So where was the bag?
It was by checkpoint 5 at the wheelchair seating area.
I know you guys
Walk into the clear
bro, without even asking. Do you hear yourself?
He's saying we took
Nah,
his bag,
bro,
right?
and I know you guys can't arrest me because
Away
yeah,
from that meeting.
these niggas red because he didn't do shit about it.
Brother, I'm gonna ask you one
You're not
time.
asking
You
nothing.
need to
You
move,
grab
right?
me,
Can you
bro.
move out?
No, you can't.
Okay,
Can I get
well,
my
we're
bag?
gonna yeah, after
okay,
you
give me
move out
my
of the
bag
way.
and I'll get up. That's the only
You don't
deal
move,
I
we're gonna
have.
drag you right there.
All right, give me my hand. Here.
Somebody grab you outside. Come on.
That's all being recorded, bro. It's good.
Why are you being difficult, man?
Why are you not getting my bag,
Why
boy?
won't you talk to us and explain what's going on?
Alright, you guys got the guns, not me. So text me so my dad can come talk to you guys with my lawyer. Try it. I wish you would. Exactly. You guys will never hear anything about it. Because you guys know my tribe's the biggest. My tribe's the biggest, and we got oil in my village. Chevron is my oil, nigga.
Sir, what is your bag?
What the fuck is you talking about?
You're not going to get any help.
Or what? You're white. You're not South Sudan. You're not no South Sudan soldier. You'll come to my country, boy. I'm in your country thugging it. You don't want to come to Juba. You don't want to come to Chitang County. You don't want to come to Young Dua, nigga. And Jigna. Don't let me speak my language because it'll get bad.
Do you want help?
So you want me to stand
Do
up?
you want help?
You want help?
I'm asking.
You want money? We got it all. Fuck.
Your bag is being returned.
Okay, so hurry the fuck up before I bring my cousin that works at Boeing that brings his lawyer. And then we both bring our lawyer. And then you guys, then stop talking, bitch. What the fuck is you talking about? Alright, I'm gonna come outside, bro. This is a quick glimpse. But next time I come,
your
you're gonna
bag
see
or not?
70,000 people that look just like me. Mark
want
my
your
fucking
bag or
words.
you leaving, bro?
Look at him. When he get out in 3 years, I'm gonna tell him to go to your house.
Good, cool.
Yeah. And he gonna get locked up for an M.
Hold on. You want a bag?
Yeah. And he gonna get locked up for an M.
Hold on. You want a bag or not?
South Sudan versus the United States. South Sudan, yeah.
Do you want your bag? We're going to get it for you.
Young Duai, pull up. Gambella, Ethiopia versus South Sudan. Pull up. We're going to war with anybody. I'm a basketball player. I don't even shoot niggas. But I'll shoot off the court too, boy. Alright, let me make sure I get
We're getting your bag. It's down here. Let's go.
Yeah, it's 440.
Could you go
Hey,
around?
Nibble, let me call you
Thank
back.
you.
Did you report all this?
Go around, guys. No, go
They
around.
grabbed
You
me
see
and
we're
all
in the
that.
middle of
It's already
something dynamic here? Go around.
Yeah, you're blocking the checkpoint area.
Let me,
Go.
go.
You want your
Dude,
bag? As long as
could you
you're
yell? No,
Y'all got work.
go around.
Y'all got work at 11.
Let's go
And
down.
they just grabbed me. Let me show you the little Simone guy. We need to find his tribe. I don't know if he's from Tacoma.
Go get your bag. That's what you're saying you want. Go get your
Do
bag.
that. Do that.
Also,
Do this.
McIntyre. Dude, we
Do
know
this. All
this
you
is
gotta
flying.
do is do this.
Yeah, I mean, he's
You know why he's red? You do this in this combat. I know law and order.
yeah, I mean, he's.
Yeah, you know why he's red? This little short ass. I would have bitched you if you was out my school.
You're under arrest.
Alright, I know him. I would have bitched you if you was out my school.
You're under arrest.
Alright, I know him.
On your back. Get this phone off.
That's what he wanted.
This is what you want.
Yeah, I know.
Hands behind your back. Don't try nothing. Relax.
Hey, let him break my wrist. I see him touching my wrist. It's all recorded, guys. Right here. This is part of being a master manipulator.
He made threats to
No, the person
employees.
get a statement from them.
I want to talk to their president. We're going to talk to my president. And I'm going to get extradited. And I'm going to see y'all later. Feel me? Y'all got to realize I'm not born in Seattle, man. I'm born in Minnesota.
want to search?
Yeah,
I
let's
fuck with
get
Somalis,
him
man.
off to the
I'm
side.
going to go to Mogadishu next summer. I'm going to go to Mogadishu next summer, y'all.
Spread your feet.
Look, they gonna kill me right here. You feel me? Don't forget, they be doing these vaccine shits, and a lot of these, they gonna put me in the psych ward like 3 days ago. They already banned me in the casino in Auburn for no reason. Literally told them, bro. So all this is on camera.
Let's go to 25. You want to, since you're
I don't even know
taller.
why they ain't changed me, bro. They did that to all the black people. Hold on, where's my phone at? Alright, you want to go back to it?
Don't hit this, man. Don't make it any worse than it has to be.
Okay, I'm going to go down.
I'm gonna be in Africa December, so I should be out like a week. Alright, am I sitting down here or you gotta come to the door?
Have a seat. Go ahead, have a seat.
Alright, what we talking about here? We don't have nothing to talk about, sir.
Swing your legs. Put your feet in. Put your feet in.
Alright, hold on, let me. I'm literally, I can't move my.
You can be alright. You can do
Alright,
it.
let me move your wrist so I don't do this.
Okay.
Okay. And then, where are we?
So these are the ladies, all three of them. He caused alarm. He came up to him, was flexing like this, and then pressed a slap and shoot, and then break a computer.
Yeah, he was letting me break the
At any point did you guys feel like your life was threatened? Because you're gonna have to go to court if you say yes. Make sure we're not prodding you or anything.
No,
Did you feel like your life was threatened?
Do you think it was a joke or serious, right? Serious?
Oh no, it was.
That's what I'm trying to get at. Okay.
Yeah, it was.
That's what we want to make sure. Not like, ha ha ha.
Did he?
I'm standing over here on the phone. He's like, you're gonna be the first. You're gonna be the first one to shoot.
How did that make you feel?
I'm not safe. He was on the phone telling somebody he was gonna come. He said, "Come all y'all come over here." And he said, "Come tell my 30 cousin."
Did it seem serious?
Yeah, he
You
was.
believed it, right? On camera. You believed it? Okay. All right, my partner's gonna collect your information. We're gonna go for felony level then, okay? That means you're gonna get contacts from detectives and whatnot, okay? Any questions so far before I leave?
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.